Hello and welcome to the in-depth series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be discussing about the topic of India's heat wave is leading to rise in eye stroke cases. So there is a term nowadays we are listening to in news, and that is eye stroke. And because the temperature is rising so high that it is becoming difficult for people to move out in this scorching heat, so nowadays you will find people saying that they are facing problem in eyes. Their eyes are red in color, their eyes is turning red in color, and the eyes are swelling up, they are feeling irritation in eyes. So all these things, if given a term and because of the heat wave, then that is eye stroke. And because of the heat wave or the rise in temperature, increasing cases of eye stroke can be seen. About the points of discussion, first we'll be looking at the news, then what is eye stroke, other problems with regard to eye caused by heat waves, how to prevent an eye stroke, and in the end prelims practice question. Topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 2, that is health. So let's begin. India's heat wave is leading to rise in eye stroke cases. What is the condition? Now, what is eye stroke? So, first of all, what is happening is that the temperature across the country is rising, and it has now reached to immense levels, and that is around 45 degree plus, 47 degree plus, and also it is reaching to 50 degrees. And the scorching heat waves are becoming more frequent and severe. And now we see that rain is also not happening, so that rise in temperature is becoming all the more problematic, then bringing with them a host of health issues. As the heat wave is becoming intense and severe, with it the rise in temperature is becoming all the more problematic, and also with this there is an increase in health issues also which can be observed. And eyes, which are considered to be the most sensitive organ, is at risk, and the risk which the eyes are at as of now is considered to be eye stroke. And now if we talk about eye stroke, now what is eye stroke? So eye stroke, the medically it is known as retinal artery occlusion. So in medical terms, if we talk about, it is called retinal artery occlusion. So it occurs because there seems to be a blockage which affects one of the arteries which supply blood to the retina. Okay, look at this image. This is the image of an eye, and this is how an eye looks like. So the front thing is it is the cornea, then you have the iris, then you have the pupil, that black portion which you see, and then you have the eye lens. But if we talk about the place often within an eye where the image is formed, then that is retina. So this is retina. This area at the back of the eye on its line is retina, and retina is one of the most important part, as it is the part where the image is formed. An eye stroke is majorly caused because the retina is damaged. And what happens is, see, usually we see then the eyes are apart from the pupil, then both the sides of pupil we have white color in eye. But if we see that nowadays, because of the heat wave and the rising heat, the eyes are turning red in color. So because the eyes are turning red in color, so what is happening is that the arteries, see, the arteries which supply blood to the eye, because of the rise in temperature and heat waves, these arteries gets damaged, and these arteries, the space that we have within the artery, the arteries gets narrower, and as the arteries gets narrower, so the supply of blood within the artery becomes less, and so the supply of blood to the retina also becomes less. Like for example, if earlier the length or the width of the artery is this, then because of the heat wave, the size of the artery becomes very narrow. So because of that narrow size, the blood which gets supplied to the retina becomes very less. See, and the blockage also occurs in it, and that blockage affects one of the arteries which supply blood to the retina. And then retina, which is a thin film which lines on the inner surface of the eye, which is at the back side, it transmits light signal to the brain. So this retina at which the image is formed, it transmits the signal to the brain, and that is how brain identifies what our eyes see. So it is actually because of the blockage of the artery that the retina gets damaged, and retina's blood supply gets interrupted, and this can lead to sudden vision loss and potentially permanent damage also. But in this eye stroke, what is happening is the eyes are becoming very, very red, and the risk factors because of which also the eye stroke can happen, and that is the high blood pressure, diabetes or high cholesterol, and etc. So it is basically the blockage of the arteries, and because of which the continuous flow of blood does not reach retina. Then can heat wave cause an eye stroke? So because of heat wave, can a eye stroke occur? So yes, the answer is yes. As the temperature is rising and the months are becoming even more hotter, the human body also undergoes severe changes with regard to the setting of the temperature, and it can cause dehydration, thickening of the blood and increased blood pressure, etc., which as a result can impair blood flow to the eyes, leading to a stroke. And the body loses more water than its intake. That is when the problem starts. And one of the basic problem of rise in temperature and leading to the heat stroke is dehydration. So dehydration is when the body is losing more water than what it is taking in. Then various issues can arise, including the dry eye syndrome, and with it, the dry eye syndrome, the eye stroke can also take place, and dehydration increases the risk of eye stroke. Then the other problems by heat waves with regard to eye or related to eye is increased eye allergies. Then heat waves often coincide with higher pollen counts, leading to allergic reactions, and these allergic reactions are in the form of red, itchy and watery eyes. Then second can be stye. It is a small painful red lump that typically emerges at the lower side of the eyelashes, and it causes huge discomfort in the eye. Then comes the point of photokeratitis. So it is essentially a sunburn of the eye. So it can be considered a sunburn of the eye which is caused by excessive ultraviolet exposure during heat waves. And it is also advised that when you go out during heat waves or high temperature, one should always wear sunglasses. Now, how to prevent an eye stroke? That is, stay hydrated, because dehydration is one of the reasons. So always keep yourself hydrated, keep on having liquid or keep on having intake of water at regular intervals. When you go out, always wear sunglasses so that the direct contact of eye does not take place. Avoid wearing contact lenses because this can cause problem. It can become sticky, and also excessive heat can cause its meltdown also. Then practice good eye hygiene, like for example, always put water, always wash your face with water at regular intervals. Then massage your eyes also, and on regular interval put chilled water, or you can say put cold water on your eyes so that the eyes also feel relaxed. And then monitor your diet, take or intake of the things which are useful for the eyes and which keeps eyes healthy, like for example vitamin C, vitamin D and also vitamin A. These kind of things in the diet, the intake should be measured. So this was it, and in the end a prelims practice question, and you people will give me the answer in the comment section. Which of the following part of eye gets damaged during an eye stroke? retina, iris, eye lens, or none of the above? Easy one. So give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time. Keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.